Today we're going to install Rational Performance Tester for ITCAM for transactions. After you've downloaded the images for RPT 9.0 installation, unpack those into a directory and find the Launchpad. The Launchpad will give you the option to install IBM Rational Performance Tester. Click on that. And Installation Manager will appear. Installation Manager is used to actually do the installation. Installation Manager may need to be updated in order for this version of RPT to be installed. Okay, so here are the options for installation. If you're going to use this with ITCAM, you do not need the License Key Administrator. We'll click Next. We're going to click Next without the License Key Administrator. Accept the terms of the license agreements and click Next. Be sure to check your volume drive to make sure that you have enough room. You can change this to any drive you prefer. When you get to the architecture selection, if you're going to use this with ITCAM for transactions, be sure to select 32-bit. We're going to create everything from scratch. We're going to do this with English. And when you get to this list of features, be sure to select the Rational Performance Tester extension for SOA quality. Then we'll click Next and Next. Okay, so this indicates that we will be prompted for the location of additional files, but we have all the packages, so we will be able to complete the install. And now we will click Install. This will take a few minutes. Okay, we're going to find that other piece of the installation, which is this RPT 9 core directory. So I'm going to paste that here. And it wants the disk 1 directory. Now the package has been installed. We'll click Finish. Now after you do this install, you must install the Rational Integration Support. The installation support provides the license and enables you to export from RPT to ITCAM. We'll get a different installer for this piece of software. We'll accept the IBM and non-IBM terms. We are installing this for Performance Tester version 9. This includes the 9.0 license key and the ITCAM integration plugin. This indicates that the installation was successful, so we can click Finish. We can close this. Now we're going to start Rational Performance Tester. We will let the workspace default to this directory. Now you're ready to record. To verify that the Rational Integration support has been installed properly, open up the Export option, select Other, and look for ITCAM for Transactions. If that's there, then your installation was successful.
Thank you for watching this video at the IBM Monitoring Academy. We appreciate your feedback, so please feel free to use the comments box below. We'd also love you to check the thumbs up box if you appreciated this video. We have added several helpful links to the YouTube comments box below so you can find all our other content on social media. I would definitely recommend that you check out the blogs on DevWorks. Take care.